All right, hi everybody.
Hey everyone.
Hey, it's Ryan and David here for another episode of 5 Minute Fridays, but this is a special edition between two nerds. So this week we're talking to a whole bunch of clients that have used Office 365 that have all of these sites that don't have a common navigation, and the thing that came up was hub sites. So David, what's a hub site and why would we use these?
Well, Hubsite is just, you can build it using a regular communication site, a modern communication site, or a modern Teams site. And it's really just a setting you turn on that designates that site as the hub of all your other sites. And you get shared navigation across all the sites, and you can have a common theme. And plus you get automatic roll up of, anything you want, news, events, whatever, it's going to come up from all those subsites and you can present it on your homepage. So it's really really quick and easy way to set up a homepage.
Now, can you accomplish that auto theming, the roll up, and the common navigation without using hub sites?
You really can't. I mean, you can do common theming and roll up, but you're gonna have to configure that all manually rather than just have it just one click and it's done. And the common navigation, you're never gonna get that done across all the sites unless you probably write something custom.
Awesome. Would you mind showing us?
Yeah, sure, no problem. I'll just turn that and share my desktop. Okay, so we're sitting here looking at just a regular communication site that I stood up, just standard out of the box. And right now it's not a hub site, and making it into a hub site is really just a matter of a little bit of PowerShell. So if I just run this one line right here that I just entered, and then boom, it's a hub site. So let's take a look, and we're going to refresh this. And the first thing you'll see is it says Internet Home Add Link. This is where you build out your common navigation. But how are you going to see that in another site? Well, first thing, before I do that, I'm going to change the theme real quick. So I'm going to change the look just to make it a little easier to see what we're doing. I'm going to change it to dark blue because that's really easy to recognize. Okay, so now I've got another site right here. Here I've got an IT site, and I want to join it to the hub. I don't have to use PowerShell for that. I just go into site information right here. And whenever you have hub sites in your organization, it's going to automatically list them right here, and you just choose which one you want. And I'm going to say connect me up to Internet Home and hit save. Now this next step sometimes doesn't happen right away. Let's see what happens. Right, there it goes. There's your theme. Nice. And also notice up at the top it says Internet Home, which will take me right back to Internet Home if I click on it. And it doesn't set up the navigation nodes automatically, which is kind of the way you want it. You want to be able to set it up yourself. So if I go back to Internet Home, I just hit Add Link, and I hit this little plus sign, and I paste it in here, and I call it IT, and hit OK, and hit save. And sometimes it gives you a little bit of a it's like I have to hit cancel on this and then hit plus again. There we go. Hit OK, save. There we go. So now you see IT up there, and that takes me, I can get quickly from here to there. And when I get there, it's that same navigation is going to apply. Sometimes it takes a minute or two to apply, but anyway, there it is. You got the IT link. So you can imagine building out links to all your subsites. You can actually make it so there's drop downs. You can categorize project sites or department sites. For sure. So it's real easy to do. And meanwhile, the last thing to show you before we wrap it up here is that if I look at the news here and I say, and I edit this page, and I look at the news web part.
This is on the hub site.
Yes, I'm on the hub root site, exactly. There's a new setting here that says all sites in the hub. Okay, so now I hit that and close that. Gotta get this out of the way, I think. How do I get that out of the way? There we go. Oh, I guess that's it. I just hit that and hit publish. And hopefully this will work and we don't get any issues. Well, okay, it didn't work. It should be showing news from that IT site. It does use search, so sometimes it takes a few minutes to show up. But anyway, you get that setting where it automatically, from all the child sites, it rolls up that news. And that's basically all that you get with basically is just a one-liner. So
it looks like this is a new opportunity for your intranet solution. Instead of building and wiring these things all together, create your homepage as a hub site, and then start associating these guys together.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I really think that this is the wave of the future if you're using SharePoint Online to have basically how to build your intranet and navigation.
All righty. Well, this is it for this episode of 5 Minute Friday between two nerds.
Thanks a lot, everyone.